We'll guide you through how to automate 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗 diagrams with ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because creating diagrams manually in 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗 can be time-consuming and repetitive. To automate 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗 diagrams with ChatGPT, begin by opening Windows on your computer and ensuring the system is ready to use. Next, open Google Chrome on Windows so you can access web-based tools easily. Click the Google Chrome search bar and type in ChatGPT to find the tool. From the results, visit the official ChatGPT website and wait for it to load completely. Once inside, type in the diagram prompt you want to generate, making sure the diagram prompt you add is in XML format so it can be used correctly. After that, carefully review the response and then copy the XML code provided by the system. Next, click New tab in your browser to continue the process. In the New tab, click the search bar again and search for 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗 to locate the diagramming tool. From the results, select the official 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗𝗗 website and wait until it fully loads. Then, click Start to launch the editor interface. Once the editor opens, go to the Arrange menu at the top of the screen to access more options. Select the Insert option from the drop-down list, and then choose Advanced to reveal additional features. After that, click from Text to open the Import dialog box. Inside the dialog, change the List option to Diagram so the format matches your XML content. Then paste the text generated by ChatGPT into the provided field. Finally, click Insert to automatically generate the diagram based on the XML structure you created, completing the automation process efficiently and accurately within 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗𝗗 without needing to draw everything manually from scratch each time. To ensure better results, you can refine your prompt in ChatGPT by adding more detailed instructions about shapes, labels, and connections before copying the XML again for improved output quality and structure.